Hi, friends. I'm retired pastor and theologian Papa Dale. Today's Bible Quick is, are you stuck? I hope to teach you something you might not have known before, but please listen and be skeptical and check me and any other Bible teacher out in comparison to what the Bible actually says. So the question is, are you stuck? Are you stuck in what? Are you stuck in abnormal development? You probably are, like most people, you are stuck in abnormal development. While human beings are born to change, much of the basics is hardwired. How we respond to that programming, to that hardwiring, is social development. But in that process, we get stuck. People can integrate each stage into themselves, blending it with all the others so there is balance, or people can get fixated at a stage. And some of the stages include a fixation on food, love, like a mother's embrace, drink, physical well-being, physical stimulation, visual stimulation, possessions, approval, attention, sexual impulses, mental development, and spiritual development. Now, each stage has its own distractions that serve to interrupt the process by getting the focus on the pleasure of the one that's right in front of us, the one that we are experiencing right now in real time. Hey, we like it. We don't want to stop thinking about it. We don't want to stop focusing on it. But from then on, the focus of choice is the one we're stuck on. Now, there is some progress in other areas, but the central theme of life becomes the monkey wrench in the gears. Unwise behaviors, harmful to ourselves, contrary to God's good plan for us, manifest in each fetish. They are encouraged by our flesh, the culture, and malevolent entities, and good impulses are perverted. We're supposed to go through these stages to a final conclusion of growth into a fully authentic spiritual being, self-actualized, or rather God-actualized spiritual being. And if this process gets off track, food becomes gluttony, drink becomes alcoholism, physical stimulation becomes adrenaline addiction, possession becomes theft, sexual impulse becomes homosexuality and transgenderism, mental development becomes antisocial intellectualism, and spiritual development becomes cultish. It's important to recognize that the last stage is spiritual. We were created to have fellowship with our Creator, and all other stages are simply steps to get us there. That's why Paul says, quote, "And every man that strives for the mastery is temperate in all things." All of these stages, they don't get focused on them. Now they do it to obtain a corruptible crown, but we an incorruptible. I therefore so run, not as uncertainly, so fight I, not as one that beats the air, but I keep my body under control and bring it into subjection, lest by any means, when I have preached to others, I myself should be a castaway. 1 Corinthians 9:25 through 27. I keep my body under means I'm in control of my impulses. I have responsibility to bring them into harmony with the nature of God and His plan and His purpose for me and for my integration into His family in eternity. So that's the Bible Quick for today. Hope you enjoyed it. If you have comments, questions, or prayer requests, you can leave them down below. And until the next video, it's your old pal Papa Dale signing off and saying, I'm going to be praying for you that you'll be well and that you'll be blessed, and God bless you.